halfway.
Not high up at all. We're not that high up. You can totally survive a fall.
What? I'd survive a fall?
There you go.
So pretty.
It's really pretty town.
It is. So, okay, you guys can host my my YouTube show.
So, are you taking video?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, state your name.
Kale,
And where are you from, Kale?
Vermont.
Okay, and what are you doing here?
Touristing?
Touristing?
Yes.
Okay, state your name, please.
Mark Steele. From Mobile, Alabama.
That's not what you told me earlier.
Well, I told you lots of things.
Holy fuck, holy fuck. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die! Woo.
It's really going down soon, though.
Yeah, I'm coming down now, aren't I?
Yes. Oh, it's fucking crazy. You know, like fucking like. Yeah, fuck off.
I'm not even trying to get you. I'm trying to get the scenery. Oh. Whoa.
Wow, that's really loud.
I'm very scared! It's very, very scary!
Wait, which way are we going? I don't know. I think it was the other way. This way, yeah.
Woo. There's the skating rink we didn't get to go on. Why is it so squeaky?
It's not the fault.
Oh, okay.